Hello students, today we shall read about the Russian Revolution. Introduction. The 19th century was an age of social change. As we have read in the previous chapter, the French Revolution has caused the rapid spread of long and strong ideas of freedom, equality, and fraternity throughout Europe and even in the world. It gave a fatal blow for feudalistic society and brought a social change in the structure of the society. Before the outbreak of the French Revolution, the society was generally divided into estates and orders. The economic and social power as well was the concreted in the hands of aristocracy and the church. But the revolution brought a revolutionary change. New ideas regarding individual rights and under discussion in various parts of the world, including Europe and Asia. For example, in India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai and Diorisio took great inspiration from the French Revolution. However, it should be remembered that everyone was not in favor of a thorough change in society in Europe. Some believed in gradual change, whereas some others wanted to reconstruct the society radically. Thus, there were three options: liberal, conservative, and radicals. Liberals, radicals, and conservatives. Liberals were in the favor of change in society. They wanted a nation based on religious tolerance and equality among all religions. We should remember that at time European states generally discriminated in favor of one religion or another. For example, Austria and Spain favored the Catholic Church, where Britain favored the Church of England. Liberals were against the under strict power of dynamic rules. They argued for a representative elected parliamentary government subject to law, interpreted by a well-trained and independent judiciary. However, they not Democrats. They did not believe the adult franchise, the right of every citizen to vote. They had believed that men of property in particular should have the right to vote. Similarly, they were not in favor of women's voting right. The radicals were in the favor of through to complete political or social reform. They wanted a nation in which government was based on the majority of a country's population. Many of them supported women's suffragette movements. They opposed the privilege of great land owner and wealthy factory owners. They did not reject the concept of private property, but opposed the concentration of the property in a few hands. The conservatives were traditional in their attitudes and values and were opposed to liberals and radicals. Before the beginning of the French Revolution, the conservatives had been almost totally opposed to the idea of change. However, by the 19th century, they were ready to accept that some change was inevitable, but it must be brought through a slow process with due respect to past. Thus, differing views regarding political and social change were prevalent during the period of social and political turmoil that followed the French Revolution. It was the lesson second, socialism in Europe, the Russian Revolution. You can also see this video on YouTube also anytime.